How to add picture to post on Reddit. So if you want to add picture to post on Reddit, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having the internet connection, you need to go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then search for Reddit. Under Reddit, you need to go with www.reddit.com, and after that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, after logging in, you need to go with create, which is on the top right. And once you go with the create section, it will take you to this kind of interface. And once you're here, you need to go with images and video section right here. So click on images and videos, and then you can drag and drop your images, or you can upload media. So click on this and then select the post that you would like to add. For example, if I selected this one, now you need to go with open, and that image or that video will be added. Now you can go with the title, and then if you want to add some link, you'll be able to add some link to it. Or if you want to add more pictures, you can add more pictures, and then go with save or post right here. So that's how you can add pictures to a post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.